Vulnerability management is a continuous process, and Qualys publishes new vulnerability signatures daily. This video will outline steps to help you automate the vulnerability management lifecycle by scheduling daily or frequent vulnerability assessment scans. To schedule a scan, navigate to the Scan section, followed by the Scans tab. Click the New button and select the Schedule Scan option. Here you'll find the same scan configuration requirements as the manual scan seen earlier. You'll need to select an option profile, a scanner appliance, and the host assets you wish to target in the scan. Target host options include IP addresses and IP address ranges, asset groups, and asset tags. What obviously makes a scheduled scan different are the scheduling options. Begin by selecting the date and time for this scheduled scan to start. The start time for each scheduled scan will reflect the time zone you specify. To keep this scan from bumping into high demand or peak capacity times of day, you can choose a maximum scan time and the action to take if any scan reaches this threshold. If you configure the option to pause a long-running scan, you'll need to specify how and when you would like it to resume. You can schedule your scans to run daily, weekly, or monthly. You can schedule scans that have an unlimited number of occurrences, or select the option to deactivate a scheduled scan after a set number of occurrences is reached. Notifications will automatically be sent to the owner of a scheduled scanning task. Additional options are available for sending notifications before and after a scan to any email distribution groups you've created. Once a scheduled scan has been saved, it can be viewed along with other scheduled scans under the Schedules tab, where any scheduled scan can be quickly deactivated, activated, or deleted. Use the Calendar View option for a different perspective on your scans that have already finished and those that are scheduled to launch soon. Somewhat similar to scheduled scanning, Qualys Cloud Agent is configured with a setting called the Data Collection Interval. Qualys Cloud Agent is designed to collect assessment data from its host at regular intervals, which it then sends to the Qualys Cloud Platform for processing. By default, agent data collection occurs every 4 hours, or 240 minutes. The agent data collection interval can be set anywhere from 4 hours to 30 days. Thank you for watching this Qualys training video.